Welcome to the Back Porch Fishing Show. So my bobber's name is Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. Let's go. Alright, so we're fishing today. Got a nice bobber named Brandon. Oh, did you see that? There he went. Better get out there and get him. Yeah, got you now. Go, Brandon. Yes, sir. That's the only time you really want Brandon to go. Looks like a nice little bullhead. First fish of the evening. Got another one on the other rod. Let's see what we got on this. This is a feather light, ultra feather light. Everything on this is fun. Hey, Brandon, don't you come over here and get tangled up in this. Don't you wander over here. Oh yeah. Little guy's pulling a little bit of drag. Go. Mellow out, Brandon. We'll get to you. That's a nice little bullhead there. Maybe up north, down here in Florida, that's nothing. There he is, everybody. Alright, what's the magic word? Contact! Yeah, contact. I've never met one yet that could fly. They all want to try, though, for some reason. Alright, Brandon, let's see what you got. Whoa, that's a heavy one. Look at the belly on that thing. Whatever have you been eating? I guess the shrimp run's still going on strong. What's that? Contact! Nah. You can't fly, can you? Oh yeah, contact. His engine doesn't want to start. Contact! I had so much fun fishing. There goes another one. Bobber action. Go, Brandon. Bloop. What you got on there? Yeah. Look at him go. Another bullhead. Way to go, Brandon. Did something right. Alright, come on up here. Get my hook remover out. Yeah. Uh-oh. Gotta hook up on the little rod here. Whoa. It is smoking the drag. Woo. What is it? Man. So, why do you always get big fish on the littlest rod? This thing's only got 10-pound test on it. I get this other rod out of the way. Man, that thing is pulling. Woo! Nice fish on. Man. Well, anybody tell you you can't catch big fish on a soft taco shell? Here you go. If we can get it in here and get a look at it. Man, this is peel and drag. Look at him go. Just have to wear him down. Hopefully he doesn't break the line. It's only 10-pound test. Lots of barnacles and pillars down there. Man, he's pulling. He wants nothing but the bottom. Or maybe it's a she, I don't know. Could be a stingray. This one was laying on the bottom. Oh, this is just the greatest fishing hole in the world, isn't it? Sometimes it's a little slow, but it usually produces. Man, look at him go. Better loosen up that drag a little bit. This is fun. Oh, it's fun to get a big fish on a little feather light rod, isn't it? You know this is probably a trophy fish, too. Hopefully we can get it up. There it is at the top. I didn't get to see it. What the heck is it? Even if it's a stingray, I don't care. I know it's big. Oh, whoa, whoa, it's big catfish. Big catfish. That is a pig. Oh boy. As usual, I don't have a net. One of these days I'll be able to afford a net. Oh well, we'll make do with whatever it is we got. Use my little fish getters. That thing still got a little fight left in him. Alright, let's try to get him with the fish getters. Wish me luck. You done fighting? I want him wore out completely so I can get a hold of him. I'd like to get him up here where we can see him better. Boy, that's a nice fish. Come here, you. Come on, hold still. Oh, I'm only going to get one chance at this. Come here. Don't break a line. That's like thread compared to this big fish. Could easily snap that line. Come here. Come on. Gotcha. Oh. Come on. Oh yeah. That's a hog. Look at that. It's a hog. I'd say he's 10 pounds or near that at least. Look at that pig. Oink for us. No, that's not an oink. Oink, oink. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Look at that. Get you guys a close-up look at him, everybody. Ooh, yeah. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to support our channel, try our thanks button located next to the share button below the player. Thanks for watching.